Peace, peace, peace.
Hey, I'm Ashley Ray.
And I'm Chanice Reid.
And I'm Megan Drayton.
And we're with Excel Real Estate in Charleston.
And today we're down here in Charleston, South Carolina at the
Best Life Summit 2020.
2020.
Ow! Okay. This is such an amazing event. We have a wonderful guest speakers, awesome vendors out here. The people are flowing in. So we want to go ahead and get a view of and speak to some of the vendors that are here supporting this local event. So let's go check them out.
Let's go.
Enjoy.
So we're inside the conference room, and I want to introduce you to some of the amazing vendors that we have here. Peace, peace. How you doing, Ebony?
Hey, Sean, how are you?
I'm doing good. Wow, this looks wonderful. Tell me a little bit about your business.
All right, well, I'm one of the licensed massage therapists here in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm the owner of Escape Havens and Cold Day Spa, as well as Escape Haven and Company, where we create self-care essentials that helps people customize a great solution for themselves in order to promote relaxation
Wow.
and peace. So I create products that people can take home with them just to help them create that safe haven within their home. And I also have my day spa where people can come in and get away from the world and de-stress and see what it really is like to experience a true safe haven.
Wow, that is wonderful, sis.
Thank you.
These products look amazing. Do you have any special ones you would like to feature?
Sure.
She's like, they're all good.
Sure. So I will talk a little bit about our peach nectar candle. This candle came from our spring collection. It has been one of the best sellers. It has a great tropical aroma for people who love fruity and sweet scents.
That's me.
All of our candles are soy wax, which means that they are vegan and natural based, and they maintain a longer burn time than the typical candle that you would get out the store. So although it doesn't look like a huge candle, the burn time is about 40 to 50 hours.
I need that. And tell me, how can we find you? You on social media?
Absolutely. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, or you can visit our website at www.escapehavenandco.com. And on that site, you will find information about our spa as well as the products that we have coming soon as well.
Excellent. Thank you so much, sis. This is wonderful.
Thank you so much.
How y'all doing? So tell me a little bit about yourselves. What y'all got going on here?
My name is LaShae Wallace, and these are my books. Look at God, Seeds of Purpose, It Started with a Promise, and Worship in the Wilderness.
Wow, that's awesome. How did you get into writing?
I just had a gift of encouraging other people and just spreading the gospel. So I just used my gift of writing and just.
No, that's awesome. It's definitely needed. Tell the people how we can find you.
You can find me on Facebook at LaShae Wallace or Instagram LaShae Wallace 23, LaShaeWallace.com, or on Amazon. My books are all on Amazon too.
Wonderful, amazing, sis.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing this with the people.
You're welcome.
All right, you have a good one.
You too.
Yeah, I am. You got something you want to say, sir?
I'm here for mental support, more support, all of that.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Terrell McCushion.
Say it a little bit louder. Take your mask off.
My name is Terrell McCushion. I'm here for moral support for LaShae, and I'm here to make sure that she thrives.
Make sure she thrives. I know that's right.
Thank you.
We appreciate that. Hello there, ma'am. How are you?
Hi guys.
Hey, tell me a little bit about yourself.
So hi guys, my name is Christal A Jenkins. I am a native of Eastern South Carolina, and today I'm so excited to be here at the Best Life Summit. Right now on my table I have some motivational book cards, and these are $1. I have some inspirational journals for the youth. I also have some motivational bracelets, which is also $1, and some gratitude journals, which are $2. And most importantly, right now I I will soon publish my first book titled God's Love, and I'm doing pre-orders on that book on $15, and I'm excited about it. And this book is a very inspirational message. When I wrote this book, I was very upset about God, and you can see it says God's love. So
Yes.
God love sees us through our brokenness, and so although it's a child book, I think it can reach at all levels. So if you want to find out more information, definitely contact me on Facebook at Christal A Jenkins, CHRISTAL A Jenkins, and Instagram Christal.Jenkins to find out more. So,
Thank you so much. This is amazing.
thank you.
Your journey is beautiful.
And I also traveled to Spain, Dubai, and China. So that's when I wrote this book. I had just recently came back from Dubai. My mother was transitioning. And so that's why I was really upset with God, because I felt like the life my mom did and the people she touched, that He should have healed her. My parents said, but who's to say I'm not God? So
Right.
this book, it sees us through our brokenness and let us know that God is always in control. Even when we don't feel like it, He's always there. He definitely has a plan.
LaShae, that is awesome. I spent some time traveling abroad as well, so it's amazing that when you go abroad, the clarity that comes,
Yes.
and the creativity and the inspiration, and look what you birthed out.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
What countries did you travel to?
Bali, Thailand, Mexico, Dominican Republic, Germany, Italy, France. Yeah. I love being abroad. I would say out of all the countries Qatar, of course, that was for military, and a couple other stuff, was Canada. Of all the countries I've been to, I call Bali my second home.
Yeah, why do you call it?
And Martinique too. I love Martinique. It's a French island in the Caribbean. Just they're spiritually centric.
Yeah.
That is first and foremost. Like even when we walk outside their businesses, in the mornings when we walk out, they give offerings to the ancestors. They pay homage to that's their spirituality. All of their homes have either like a ceremonial temple in there. Everything is just spiritually centric at first, and then it's business. Like even when we're driving around, all the traffic, people aren't beeping at each other like that. They actually work together in synergy to make sure everybody's flowing. And it wasn't until like probably my 6th day in country where I actually saw a cop. And that was because we were driving past the police station. But it's not anything that's like hostile and stuff like, you know.
We could definitely use that here in America.
Yes, we could definitely. And I appreciate the experience I had in Germany going to Oktoberfest. So that's like one of their big, like thousands of people come in from all around the world. And they got their beer, right? And their hot dogs, right? They love their sausages and stuff. And the cops walked around in elements of 7, 6 men, 1 female. And they were just there just to truly make sure everybody was okay.
Wow.
And when they stop in a circle back to back, so they have a 360 view. And they're just making sure everybody's good to go.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Yeah.
Make sure the people are safe.
And it was beautiful. I felt very good in Germany. But this is amazing. We'll definitely have more conversation.
Okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for sharing.
You're so welcome.
Yes, ma'am. You ready now? Or you want to wait till your mom come back? You ready now? All right, come on in here. Introduce yourself to the people.
I'm Andria Jameson.
You want to speak up a little bit
I
more?
am Andria Jameson. I'm the owner of Nails, Lips, and Lashes.
Oh, yeah? Tell us about it. How did you get started?
I got started because me and my sister was talking about lip gloss businesses and we wanted to do one together, so now we're doing the lip gloss business together.
Oh, that's wonderful. So how did you know about how to prepare for like where to buy your equipment at or the supplies? Did you learn a little bit about supply and demand and like the cost of doing business?
Yes.
So tell me about that experience.
It was kind of hard because I didn't really know how to do most of the stuff. So my sister had to tell me different things that I needed and different things like that.
That's good. So what you learned overall about the finance part of running your own business?
That it is not easy.
Easy? What'd you say?
I said it's not easy.
It's
at
not
all.
easy. And you're just getting started. So the good thing is it gets easier with time, right? By the time you hit 18, you're gonna be right. You're gonna have a couple of businesses rocking and rolling. That's awesome. This is it right here.
Yes.
What kind of flavors we got?
We have cherry, watermelon, strawberry, and black cherry.
And black cherry. I know that's right. Yes. Well, thank you so much for sharing. How can we find you?
My Instagram name is nays_lips and lashes.
Say it one more time for the people.
My Instagram name is nays lips and lashes.
Nays lip lashes. Did I say it right?
Lips and lashes.
Lips and lashes. Yes. Make sure I'm correct now. This is your business. I know that's right. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
And congratulations on this launch.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I'll come back and do your mom's. Tell her she can't escape me. Hey, Mr. Reece. How you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
Look at this.
Yeah, Royal Residue. These are some of our products here. We certainly have.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Best Life Summit 2020.
I was trying to catch y'all. We're going to get you, though.
That's all right. We'll do it.
We're going to get you.
My name is Kamisha Young, and I want to thank each and every one of you in this room for coming out this morning.